honor and a privilege to once again host you, Your Excellency, at the LSE as we ring the bell to commemorate the listing of Linzi 003 Infrastructure Asset-Backed Security. Our goal is clear: to onboard 9 million active retail investors by the year 2029 through strategic interventions that address market access, financial literacy, and generally improving the overall economy. We are committed to positioning Kenya as a premier destination for foreign investment.
Today at the NSE, Linzi FinCo, a subsidiary of Liaison Group, will be issuing a 44.7 billion high BS instrument. This is a trailblazing, groundbreaking, innovative, very sophisticated financial issue to support infrastructure in the country of Kenya. The NSE and the capital markets fraternity, in support of this instrument, have been able to combine the three to be able to guarantee a return to investors and at the same time generate an infrastructural investment in the country of Kenya.
It gives me great pleasure to join the capital markets fraternity this morning as we celebrate a significant milestone, the listing of the first infrastructure asset-backed security on the Nairobi Securities Exchange. Private sector participation has become a critical tool in addressing infrastructure gaps, enhancing service delivery, and promoting sustainable development. As a ministry, we remain fully committed to supporting the growth and deepening of capital markets. We are keen to collaborate with all stakeholders in fostering an enabling environment that attracts investment, enables liquidity, and promotes financial inclusion across the country.
We gather here again at the heart of our financial markets, the Nairobi Securities Exchange, to ring the bell in celebration of yet another historic milestone: the successful origination, structuring, and listing of the Linzi 003 Infrastructure Asset-Backed Security, the first of its kind in Kenya, raising over 44 billion, is a landmark achievement by any measure. It affirms our confidence in market-based financing and demonstrates how we can sustainably fund large-scale infrastructure through our capital markets. The proceeds from this listing will directly support the construction of the Talanza Sports City Stadium, a compelling example of how financial markets can accelerate national transformation. I commend the Nairobi Securities Exchange for the remarkable feat of facilitating 3 listings in a single month. This momentum reflects renewed energy, strong leadership, and strategic clarity. I also extend my congratulations to Linzi FinCo Trust and Liaison Group partners for their innovation in financial structuring.